Hey guys, it's me Riley, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my homemade squishy haul. And so yeah, let's get started. So I have this bin of my squishies, and so yeah. This is just at to stop you here. I just want to tell you guys in this squishy video that I'm getting a 30-pack squishies coming, and they're mystery. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a unboxing videos, so I hope you guys are going to like it. So I hope you like the rest of this video. Bye! So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sorry about that noise. So I'm just going to put my hand in there and then just say the name. Okay. Alright, so this is my lemon bread, and it has fake powdered sugar, and then it's a lemon bread, and then it's really it looks like that, and then on this side it looks like that. So this is the front and that's the back. Now I'm going to squish it for you guys. And it's super slow rising. It's like an eye bloom. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, let's try to squish it So yeah, that's that bread. The next thing I pull out is this donut, which I don't really like how it turned out, but yeah. It has purple sprinkles, white frosting, and a drip here, and then it's just orange on the bottom. So this is actually slowly rising. And so yeah, then I'm going to squish it. And so yeah. So the next thing I have is this, I have to figure out the name. I'll be back. Sorry about that. So the next thing I have is a macaroon, and it's super duper squishy. It's one of my favorites, and the lemon bread is my favorite too. I'll squish it. Pretty squishy if you ask me. So yeah, it has blue sprinkles, pink frosting, and white frosting for the filling. Then at the bottom it's orange. So yeah, the macaroon. So the next thing I pull out is this cake, and this is my second squishy. The lemon bread was my first. And this is super slow rising. So there's that, and it's still rising. So that's the cake. It has pink icing and purple drizzle, and it's brown. And then the bottom. The next one I pull out is my friend's that I had to give to her still. It's Emily's. And this is the back. And this is hers that she made and I helped her with. It's pretty squishy. Actually, it's not slow rising, but it's squishy. So that's the cake. It has red sprinkles, purple icing, and the sidings are orange. The next one I made is this Christmas tree squishy, and I didn't know it was a Christmas tree. I just drizzled, and then I flipped it over, and I realized it was a Christmas tree. And I put a little flower there, so it has white drizzle, a flower that has red and white, and then purple icing. And the sidings are orange, but you can't really see it in the camera. I don't know why. And then it's yellow. It's orange. Look at that. So yeah. The next squishy I have is this little cinnamon roll. I don't know what it's really called. It's like the donut kind of things. So here's what happens when I squish it. It's pretty slow rising. And so, yeah. So the next one I have is this emoji one that I made. It has the little eyelashes and then the mouth. And it's blue icing and black on the mouth and the eyes. Then I didn't paint the back and the orange. And then this is a dark orange on it, but it's not showing up on camera. Like it's a light orange, but in real life it's super dark. So, yeah. Squish it. You can hear it crack. Still rising. Is it gonna go back up? Oh. So yeah, takes a while. The next one I have is this. Hammer time! Sorry about that background noise. That was my sister. So then it has this blue icing, darker blue drizzle, and then this yellow sidings, and then the yellow bottom. And let's squish it. So yeah. The next one I have is a cinnamon roll. It is golden and green, and then on the sidings it's orange. So I'm gonna squish it. And the back is just normal. So yeah. The next one I have is this cherry and then this jello, whatever you call it. I had to fix it when I get the colors. I call it the eye bloom because it takes a long time to rise. Then I have this one. It's a cake, and it was my first cake, so my second cake, so I messed up. So yeah. Then I have my friends also. Me and her made this. Well, she made it, and then I made my own, which I'll show that one in the next shuffle. Oh, when I get it. It is called the Rilakkuma bread. I need to fix mine because the sidings aren't as dark as hers, and mine need to be dark. So yeah, Rilakkuma bread. Forgot to squish it. It's not that squishy unless you put a lot of paint on it, and she didn't put a lot on it. So yeah, and this is for a chain to go into it. So yeah. Okay, so I have this Rilakkuma bread, which is another one. It's dipped in chocolate. It's strawberry, and is the Rilakkuma ice. I'm gonna squish it for you guys. So yeah, that's the Rilakkuma strawberry bread. Okay, then I have this cucumber, and it has a cute little face on it, and then the back is just normal color, then the sidings are yellow, but you can't see it on the camera, and so yeah, squish it. Squish it like that. Takes a while to rise. So yeah, that's the cucumber. So here's my Rilakkuma one. It has a chain. Hold on, I have to put the chain back on. My Rilakkuma one, and as I said, the sidings need to be fixed. So yeah, it has black eyes, the Rilakkuma mouth, and then the chain. So I'll squish it. So yeah, red. I don't have that many left. Now I have my friends also, and I put a little face on it. So yeah, it's a Rilakkuma face, and it's the color. So yeah, and I actually really like this one. It's cute. So good job, Emily. And powdered sugar and jelly in it, and then yeah, I'm gonna go and figure out the name. So I didn't remember to say it, so it's called a croissant. On to the next one. Oh, I only feel like 2 left. That's 3. Okay. So this is a